This is the X-ray Collimator, pronounced Collimator, a concept by Gene Watson using nuclear fusion. What a collimator is. Collimator. Why X-rays? Packs a more energetic wallop on the deuterium palette. Deuterium is heavy ice or heavy water that exists in space for nuclear fusion. Here he has an illustration. Electrons, high kinetic energy, north-south, 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 south-north, 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 and two vertical rectangles with the poles and a squiggly line between them going outwards where you see thrust, causes electron to wiggle, releasing kinetic energy as high-intensity X-rays. And here we see another illustration. It has like a sine wave and some wires connecting, something that looks kind of like a trombone or tuba, kind of a rectangular circle thing. And he has an arrow pointing to it. Electron cyclotron closed loop X-ray lens. X-ray lens is the exit with an arrow pointing outwards. Collimator, off when on X-ray pulse. Eliminates metal collector, hence no collector heat-up problem. Focal point. So he has something here. It has like circles and these rectangular hollowed out circles surrounded symmetrically around a circle with looks like an eyeball with red eye. It has like these squiggly lines that go to the center of the circle and arrow pointing to it. He says that is the focal point. Deuterium tiny ball fired to center when electrocollimators collimator pulse on X-ray hit deuterium palette. So this goes back to what he said in the beginning. Why X-rays packs a more energetic wallop on the deuterium palette. X-ray pulse the focal point. He has an illustration to the side. Why this won't work, gets too hot. Electrons, X-rays. So his design is better. It just shows an illustration. It looks like a rectangle with bulges on each end and a squiggly line through the center. He has another illustration to the bottom right. It says open-ended is a pulse plasma rocket. Open-ended, this would be a pulse plasma rocket. Weapons builders can go fly a kite. This is for peaceful harnessing nuclear energy only. So Gene Watson was kind of a pacifist. He did not believe in developing weapons. A lot of his drawings are for space travel because he believes